Assalamu alaikum students. This is Mariam Singh from New Grammar School and today's our topic is inserting page breaks and section breaks, chapter number 3, Office Automation, page number 85 from your textbook. So what is basically a page break? A page break is a marker that tells what program that the contents which follow are to appear on the new page. What automatically inserts a page break when the user reaches the end of a page. So page break is inserted in the document when the user wants to add a new page to the document. That is basically a page break. Then what is a section break? A section break also inserts a new page, but it allows the user to change the page format without having any effect on the formatting of the previous pages. For example, let me just tell you the examples on in a exact way. So let's just do the page break first. So how you will insert a page break? First of all, you have to go to the page layout. Click on the page layout. You can see over here, this is the breaks. Click on that. Then you can see page break. You can in fact break the columns also, text wrapping. There are different options. Okay. These are section breaks and these are page breaks. Now I want to insert a page break. Now I will simply click on this button, page break. You can see over here, mark the point at which one page ends and the next page begins. For example, you can see the cursor. The cursor is over here. Now I will click on that. You can see it has gone to the next page. Let me show you in the minimized view. You can see inserting is on the first page and I have inserted the page break. Now page breaks and section breaks have come on the second page. If I can show you the two-way view, page layout, you can see, let me show you. Go to the view tab and click on two pages. Now you can see I have inserted a break on that point on inserting, and when I have inserted the page break, the rest of the text has gone to the next page. That means there is a break between these two pages. That is how we basically insert a page break. About the section break, I will explain you in another document. Let's just go through another document. Okay students, before inserting a section break, I would like to discuss with you about header and footer and of course a page number also. Page number. That how to insert a page number in the document. For inserting a header or a footer, you will go to the insert tab and then you can see over here header. You will click on header if you want to insert the header. So basically, what is a header? Header refers to information that appears at the top of a page and footer refers to the information that appears at the bottom of the page. Our header normally includes a document title, chapter number and the title, page number, company name, and somehow footer also contains these type of things, page number or any subtitle at the bottom of the document. So let's just discuss about header first. If you want to insert the header, click on the header. There are predefined formats for header. For example, I will take this one, the third one, annual. I will type over here. Just double click on that, then you can type, for example, computer science year 2020. Okay, so that is basically how you will insert a header. Once you are done with the editing, you can simply click over here, close header and footer, or simply you can click over here, double click below the header, then you can close the header editing. And if you want to edit it again, just double click over here, you can edit the header again. Okay, so let's just discuss how to insert a footer. Same is the way, go to the insert tab, click on the footer and choose the footer of your choice. For example, I would like to take this one. It will take you to the bottom of the page. I will write here New Grammar School page 1 definitely, because I am done with only one page. That's why I'm writing over here page number 1. Now let me just show you the overall view of the page. Just go to the file tab, click on a print. You can see the whole document. Let me show you. The top of the document, this is the header portion. This is the header portion. The bottom of the document, this is your footer portion. Same is the way. Go to the home tab. Now you can in fact edit your footer also. Just double click on the footer. You can edit your footer again. And if you will double click on the center of the page or anywhere in the page, you will close the footer editing. So that is basically how you insert a header and footer in a document. Here it is a page number. I have chosen the footer in which page number is already mentioned. For example, now I will just add a new page. Insert, go to the insert tab, click on a blank page. Now you can see, I will go down. You can see over here this is a page number 2, because now I have 2 pages in my document. I will go to the view tab. I will click on 2 pages. You can see this is my page 1, this is my page 2, and you can see in the footer, let me show you a zoomed view, page 1 and page 2. These are 2 pages I have. Now let's just discuss how to insert a section break. Okay, so if you want to insert a page break, just go to the page layout, click on a breaks. Now go to section break. For example, you want to insert another section in your document, just click on this. It will take you to the next page. Now I will tell you what happens when you take it to the next page. Just click on the next page. Now it will take you to the next page. You can see there is a page number 2. Now if I change, you can see this is the header of section 2. This is the header of section 1. This is your page 1 is basically your section 1 and page 2 is your section 2. Now I will change the header of the section 2 as computer science grade 8. Okay, and I will change the footer as Neem Grammar School model branch. I just wanted to show them that this is specifically for the model branch. Now if I want to change the page number here, I just wanted to show them that again it is starting from the page number 1. I will write here 1 again, or simply I will change the style of the page number. Okay, let's just keep it a 2, because normally it happens that in a document they will not change the page number. Sometimes it happens, but if you not want to change, then there must be a page 2. Okay, so let's just discuss what happened when you have inserted the section break. Now this is my first page. Now you can see, as I have done the changes in the section 2, grade 8, 2020 and page number 2, the same changes are also in the section 1. To just make it a difference in the page number 1 and 2, what you have to do, simply go over here. You can see link to previous. Link to previous, it is clicked over here. That means whatever are changes in the section 1 will be the changes in the section 2 also. That means you just have to click on that button. Now change something in the section 2. For example, I will write here computer science grade 9 and I will change page 1 in the section 1. Okay, now you can see I'm done with the changes. Now okay students, we will click over here and we will go to the insert tab. You can see over here header. I will choose another type of headers. For example, I will take this one and I will write here summer vacation task 2020. Okay, so I have changed the header in the section 2, and now I will change the footer in the section 2 also. I will just double click over here, go to the footer tab, and I will choose another type of footer. Let's just take this one. For example, I wanted to add a date because it is a summer vacation task. So I would like to add a date over here. So now let me just show you a document. This is my first page. You can see the header in the section 1. You can see section 1. The header in the section 1 is Computer Science Grade 8 2020. And the footer is Neem Grammar School Model Branch and page number 1. And the header of the section 2 is Summer Vacation Task 2020. Let me zoom it to show you a better view. We'll just use the short keys. Summer Vacation Task 2020. This is the header of the section 2. And this is the footer of the section 2, January 1, 2020. Now let me tell you how to insert a page number in a document. Simply click on the footer. Click on the page number, top of the page or bottom of the page. I will choose the bottom of the page, and I want to take it on the right corner of the page or center. I will take the right one. You can see it has changed my footer also. Okay, so it's better you choose a type of a footer in which you can adjust a page or a page number also. Okay students, so we will discuss our next topic, and our next topic is inserting and positioning pictures, page number 87. See you in the next lesson.